One thing I notice here in Fort Hall Reservation is people's houses get burned down because they don't mow around their property and mow those flashy fuels away. And that's what this video is about, is maintaining and keeping your lawnmower serviced and operational. Might save your property. I got this Craftsman DYS 4500 from my brother, who was going to throw it away. It had basically had a spindle that wasn't getting greased, and it seized and it flipped up and broke the plastic, and it had a flat tire, and he was going to throw it away. I was like, I'll take it, and I put a new tire, new spindle on it, and fixed it. But then the other day my wife was driving over here by the high tunnel and run over some wire, got stuck on the blade, and so I'm going to take the mower off, remove the wire, sharpen the blades, and just do some basic maintenance on it. And that's what this video is about. One thing that you should do when you're doing this is put it on level ground. That helps if you can. So take these off. They're located up here as well on the other side, but you got to pop that out, and they're on both sides, so take all those bolts out. So the way you take these off is you got to lower this end and then pull it out. Pretty easy. Put these where you can get at them. Oh, look at that one. You could lower this thing too to make it easier. See. Geez, that one is stuck. Okay, let's pull this thing off. There's one back here. There's one in here, needs to be fixed, taken up. Notice that some of these are smaller, like this one's smaller. And then what you could do is move this whole mower to try to get it to wiggle out. Yeah, just pried that off. There. Okay, see, that's off. And you got to take this thing off too. That loosens the belt. See this? Put it back on. Loosens the belt. So you could get it off these rollers. Here, see? Now it's off. This is actually the main one that needs to be taken off here. You see it? There, now it'll come out. I'll just drag the baby out. See, there's the wire. I gotta rip that off. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to take these things off. I took them off because look at how dull that is right there. We might as well sharpen them. Taking them all the way off. A lot of work, so here's the wire. Caused the problem. It's loud. I'm gonna put my headphones on. Listening to the Sleepy Hollow Ichabod Crane. That was bad right there. This is getting wore out here. Okay, got it. Okay, got the belt on. Should work now. Let's check the oil real quick too while we're at it. Good. Okay, let's should work.